Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little cook and clean with me. I'm about to be making dinner. It's 4:30 and so I'm going to whip up dinner really fast. I thought I'd show you guys what we're making tonight. And then I'm going to do a little cleanup of the kitchen and bring you guys along for that as well. So for dinner tonight we are having spinach artichoke chicken. It's high in protein and it's going to be so good. I'm really excited about it. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for dinner tonight. So I've got some chicken, some garlic salt, artichoke hearts, a pack of frozen spinach, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and then cream cheese. And then to go with our main meal, we're gonna have like a salad, just really simple with some nuts. I have some tomatoes. And then on top of the salad, we'll use this Primal Kitchen Green Goddess dressing, and the ingredients on it are really good. So all right, so while my dinner is cooking, I thought I would talk to you guys about something that I like to do while I am cooking or while I'm cleaning my house. I am a busy mom. I'm on the go all of the time, and I never, literally never, have time to sit down and read a book as much as I want to, because I do enjoy reading. It's not realistic anymore. So what I do instead, so I can still get the knowledge in my head, I use Audible. Audible is an app that you can get on your phone or on any device, and you can listen to books. So what I did while I was cooking tonight is I had my phone and I had Audible pulled up, and I was listening to a book called The Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. Guys, I cannot recommend this book enough. It is seriously so good, and I think everybody should read it. It basically explains kind of how we view money and feel about money stems from how we were raised. Almost like we're conditioned to think about money a certain way, but we don't have to think about money that way. And instead we can think like millionaires think and have the mind of a millionaire, and just basically change the way of thinking so that we can make as much money as we possibly can and live the kind of lives that we want to live. I'm doing a horrible job of explaining it, but guys, I seriously cannot recommend it enough. Andrew and I have both listened to it on Audible, and we have listened to it on more than one occasion because it is just that good. So definitely recommend that book. And also I recommend Audible because it is so convenient. You can listen to it while you're at the gym or while you're in the car, like I said, on any device, and it picks up right where you left off, which is kind of cool. So every month, members can choose 3 titles, 1 audiobook and 2 Audible originals. There are all kinds of audio guided fitness and meditation programs, and Audible members have access to the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and Washington Post. You can start listening with a 30-day Audible trial, and your first audiobook and 2 Audible originals are free. To do this, visit audible.com/simplyallie and text the code simplyallie to 500-500. That's audible.com/simplyallie and text the code simplyallie to 500-500. This video is sponsored by Audible, so thank you Audible for sponsoring today's video. So I'm about to make the salad. This is how simple the salad's gonna be. I'm gonna just dump this into a bowl, and then these are some veggies from the garden. This is a cucumber from our garden, and then these are just tomatoes. And so I'll chop those up, put them on top, and then add walnuts, and then the dressing, and that's just gonna be our simple salad. So we've had a little change of plans. We were originally gonna eat dinner here at our house, but we have decided that we're gonna take the dinner and the salad over to my parents' house, and we're all gonna have it together. So I'm gonna pack it all up and we're gonna head on over. We got back from my parents' house and just put the kids to bed. So now I'm going to clean up the kitchen. It's honestly not terribly bad, but I'm just gonna do the dishes from dinner. And then I also am going to clean out the fridge. It's not terribly bad as well. It just needs to be wiped out. So I'm gonna start with the dishes first, and then I might mop the floors as well. We'll see.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yeah. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing.
Here's the fridge. I have gone through it recently and gotten rid of any of the old food. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is just take everything out and wipe down the shelves, because that really needs to be done. You can see there's just spills and all kinds of gross stuff.
We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore, yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons.
The kitchen is now all clean, so I am gonna call it a night and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, this little cook and clean with me. You guys should definitely check out the recipe that I made tonight, and I will have the link down in the description box below to the recipe. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't done so already. If you're new to the channel, I would love to have you, so hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to turn on your notifications. That way you will get notified every time I post a video, and you'll know so that you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us there. And then make sure you guys check out Audible. Go to audible.com/simplyallie, or you can text the code simplyallie to 500 500. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.